A trip across the country. Look at our family. We are going on a trip. Look at the desert. Look at the mountains. Look at us. Look at the farms. Look at the prairies. Look at us. Look at the lake. Look at the mountains. Look at the city. We had fun. The family shown is traveling from Los Angeles, California to Queens, New York. The pictures on page 3 show the Mojave Desert and arid area between Los Angeles and Las Vegas and the Rocky Mountains. The picture on page 5 shows the western Great Plains and the prairies of the Midwest. The picture on page 7 shows Lake Erie and Appalachian Mountains in Pennsylvania. Last picture on the page 8 shows New York City. A big wide world.